going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and kill mold. We've got here a water damaged ceiling that we're repairing. When I opened up the cupboard, this is what I have found. You can see there just how black that mold is. It's obviously been here for a couple years, and today we're going to have an awesome little experiment. We're going to compare bleach and vinegar to see which one actually cleans better. So I'm going to put a piece of tape up along the middle here of the affected area. One side will clean with vinegar, the other side with bleach. Personally, I always prefer to opt for using bleach. In my experience, I found that bleach works very, very well. Even coming back to the same property years later, bleach has completely gotten rid of that mold. So today we're going to put it to the test. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So on the left side, we're going to spray vinegar. We're going to have 1 part water, 1 part vinegar. We'll spray this side down here, including the ceiling. And on the right side, we're using regular cleaning bleach, 1 part water to 1 part bleach. And we'll just let this sit here for 30 minutes. All right, guys, so it's been 30 minutes and you can see there's a huge difference on both sides. This one here looks slightly faded while the other side looks almost broken down completely or rusted. So we're going to take 2 clean cloths, wipe them down. Usually, depending on how much mold has actually been built up, I find usually 1 application is sufficient, but in this case here, more than likely we're going to need to repeat the process. So we'll take the cloth, and you can see there that most of that wipes away on the right hand side where the bleach was. So this side of the wall here almost comes up perfect. And you can see there with a simple wipe, most of that bulk is actually coming off. Now it is a good idea to wear gloves. I've forgotten my gloves at home, so that's the reason why I'm not wearing them today. But I just wanted to show you guys because this is a really good example as to how to remove heavy duty mold. Hopefully your house isn't anywhere near as bad as this. You might have to wash your rag a couple times. And with 1 application of bleach, that's how much we could remove. I'll give it 1 more hit once we clean off the vinegar side. Once again, clean cloth on this side here. Let's see how much we can remove. You can see a little bit of that is coming off, but the heavy stained areas are going to take a fair bit of elbow grease. So that's coming off pretty good up here. So after a quick wipe, guys, we can see vinegar on this side, bleach on this side here. This side here is a little bit more brown. That's because it was heavily stained to begin with the mold. But what we're going to do is give it 1 more coat. At the moment, they're both looking almost equal in terms of cleaning power. So we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Try it 1 more time, 1 more coat on either side, and we'll see how that turns up. So once again, vinegar on the left side. And bleach on this side. We'll let this one here sit for another 30 minutes. So after the second application of bleach and vinegar, you can see there's now a huge difference between the two. The bleach side, we've got about 90–95% of it is completely gone. And when we have a look at the vinegar side, you can still see a lot of residue or sections where the mold is still left on there. We're going to take our cloth now and give it another wipe down, see how much of this we can actually remove. So on the side where the bleach was, we'll give that one there a nice clean. And this one here is pretty much 100% clean now down here on the walls anyway. We'll have a look at the ceiling. Most of that seems to be coming off fairly easily. We've still got a little bit more in the corners here. Remembering that this surface here on the ceiling is plasterboard, and also the cornice or the coving is also porous. So that means the chemical is going to be seeped into the actual material, and it's going to continue to work even after we're wiping this section here off. So it will get a little bit better over time, but that's actually looking pretty good there where the bleach was. Let's try the side where we've got the vinegar. So now the side where the vinegar was, we've still got some sections that won't come off. Definitely is a lot better on the bleach side. And once we're done, guys, this is the finished product. So bleach versus vinegar, the results speak for themselves. As you can tell, the bleach cleans a lot better than what the vinegar does. It is a harsher chemical though. So if you wanted to opt for a more natural solution, you can lean over to the vinegar, but the results speak for themselves at the end of the day. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video, guys. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.